English test 9.2. Yes. First, removing seeds from cotton plant was a slowest job until Eli Whitney invented cotton gin. ये जीके का क्वेश्चन भी याद कर लीजिए. No error. 17. India is a land of great political leaders who ruled the country effectively and also protected its national interest.
Also protects you, sir.
नहीं, great political leaders जिन्होंने protect किया. Yes, next. The climbers will try again to reach the summit of the mountain. Their chances of doing so are better than they were last week. More better नहीं होता, दो comparative नहीं लगते. Yes, next.
Sir, option 1 का same.
Yes, most birds sing. गाते हैं, sing. Next.
On the eve.
On the eve. On the eve of the election. Yes, next. The teacher thought that the children would be happy. Neither के साथ हमेशा nor लगता है. Neither nor. 23. Singular के साथ में s लगता है. Mary remembers. ये सिंगुलर है ना, neither nor is singular. दोनों में से कोई एक. Remembers. ये करेक्ट है. Next. This is the woman who always wears. That me, who always wears. 24. Have many leaders have tried. The view of the manufacturing and tourist industries is, ये जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और टूरिस्ट इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, इनका व्यू क्या है? इनका व्यू, द व्यू इज दैट इकोनॉमी इज इंप्रूविंग. उनके हिसाब से नो एरर. यस. 26. Mary was able to retire at the age. Her business was so successful. Yes. 3. Next. 2. The ship was at mercy. Yes. Next. He had not resigned. Had he not resigned? अगर वो रिजाइन नहीं करता तो उसे फोर्सफुली डिसमिस कर दिया जाता. Had he not resigned? He had not resigned. नहीं. He had not resigned. He would have. नहीं. ये बोल रहा है वो रिजाइन नहीं किया. नहीं, अगर वो रिजाइन नहीं करता तो उसे निकाल दिया जाता. Had he not resigned? Of one of these kinds. Yes, one of these kinds. वो तो उस कॉइन के लिए कितना भी पैसा देने को तैयार है. Next. The thief carried the knife. यहां पे ब्लैंक आएगा. So as not to cut himself. वो इस तरह से नाइफ लेके चल रहा था कि वो अपने आप को हर्ट ना कर ले. Hesitant नहीं, the economist was hesitant. Past tense में बोल रहे हैं. Yes. 32. No error. 33. Course. Taking a course. नहीं, in engineering. Next. No error. Next.
Option B, collective expenses.
The more scarce any collectible collectible item. ठीक है, the higher the price. Rearrange the 6 sentences. बताइए फर्स्ट कौन सा आएगा? A fox leaped into the farm, grabbed a rooster. Farmer saw raised alarm. ठीक है, no sooner the farmer, जैसे ही fox घुसा, फार्मर ने देखा, अलार्म लगाया, इसके तुरंत बाद क्या किया? डॉग्स ने उसको चेज करना स्टार्ट किया, फॉक्स भागा. ठीक है, ये देखकर, नेक्स्ट, ये देखकर कि वो भाग रहा है, रूस्टर चिल्लाया, नो डोंट कम नियर मी, है ना, उसका चालाकी किसकी? रूस्टर की. डोंट कम नियर मी. नेक्स्ट, फिर ऑप्शन 3 करेक्ट. फिर वो किसको बता रहा है? फॉक्स को, कि मेरा जो मास्टर बहुत क्रूएल है, उसको बोल दो मेरे पास नहीं आना. नेक्स्ट, इससे ये खुश हो गया और वो फिर समझाने की कोशिश किया. मुंह खोला उसने, जैसे मुंह खोला, रूस्टर निकल के पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ गया, जब तक उसे रेस्क्यू कर लिया गया. राइट. 6th सेंटेंस, 4th ऑप्शन. 5th sentence, 5th, first sentence, 2, 4th sentence, 3rd, और 2nd sentence, 6. ठीक है, नंबर गैप. Hariya, a poor barber, lived alone in a small hut. He was very dedicated. अगर devoted होता तो devote कर देते. ठीक है, चलिए. He was dedicated, बहुत dedicated था वो, अपने काम के लिए बड़ा dedicated था. ठीक है, and whatever he earned was enough to fulfill his needs. And one evening after returning from work, Hariya was hungry. Just as he was wondering, वो सोच रहा था कि क्या पकाए, what he would cook for the dinner, he heard a hen chuckling outside his hut. The hen that made a good feast for night thought Hariya and prepared to catch it. With little effort, he succeeded. वो सफल हो गया. He succeeded in catching the hen, and he was about to kill the hen. It's sweet, I will help you. Hariya stopped.
Because option 5 is lost.
वो क्यों रुक गया? Hariya stopped as he was surprised. Because नहीं, as he was surprised. वो रुक गया क्यों? वो surprised था. He was surprised that hen spoke. He asked, how can you help me? If you spare my life. अगर आप मुझे मेरी जान बख्श दो. If you spare, बहुत अच्छा वर्ड है spare. अगर मुझे जाने दो, अगर मुझे मुक्त कर दो. Spare my life, I'll lay golden eggs for you every day, said the hen. Hariya's eye widened. उसकी आंखें चौड़ी हो गई. Hariya's eyes क्या हो गया? सरप्राइज हो गया. Eyes widened, आंखें चौड़ी हो गई in delight. Hari was surprised to hear the promise, a golden egg, that too every day. But why should I believe you? You might be lying, said Hariya. If you do not lay a golden egg tomorrow, you can kill me. ठीक है, said the hen. After this promise, Hariya spared the hen and waited. Next day का इंतजार किया outside the hut, and was sitting beside it. It is true, you are ignorant. Next morning, Hariya found a golden egg lying outside his hut. and the hen was sitting beside it. It is true, you really can lay golden eggs, exclaimed Haria with great delight. He did not reveal, उसने किसी को नहीं बताया, the incident to anyone, fearing, इस डर से that others, हाँ नहीं कंसर्न नहीं, fearing, इस डर से, उसने क्यों नहीं बताया? इस डर से कि कोई उसे पकड़ ना जाए.